Hi everyone, welcome back. This is 𝐖𝐢𝐥𝐥. Today we are going to do seated scapular mobility and shoulder strength exercise with exercise band. The band is one of my favorite props because easy to travel with. I can just put my pocket and then I can work out anywhere, even at the airport. Let's start. Let's make band half and double. Then arms up. And once you go, just start moving shoulder joint, scapula, band come front, band going back. If you're feeling the shoulder tight or some impingement, just go slow and less range of motion. Now, if you start warming up, let's add a little bit, pull the band out. You can see my band going shorter, wide, shorter, wide. Already, I can feel my shoulders start warm up. Let's go 2 more. Last 1. Good. Lower your shoulder. Okay, from here, hold a little bit narrow. So just to let you know, the band exercise, if you want to go harder, hold narrow. If you want to go easier, wide, is adjustment yourself. Okay? So arms overhead, little bit extend your spine, and once you go pull the band to your chest, and then come back. Like at the gym, Lat Pull-Down. I want you to focus pull from your upper back, and then come back. If too easy, what you're gonna do? Just to change your hand position, narrow. Good. Let's do 3 more. You can do this exercise on the chair too. You don't need to sit on the floor. You don't want to. Last 1. And then come back. Good. Little bit wider because next exercise a little bit harder. Arms straight. This one I want you arms straight, pull down, and then come back. And then band will come to behind you, and then come back. Keep moving. Feel your scapula moving toward to spine, and then open. Just to think about your back side, and let's go 5 more. 4, 3, 2, last 1. Then you can do same exercise. It's front too. Open up, come back center. Open, come back. Good. Scapula are hiding from you. It's very hard to see. You can feel it and find them. 5 more. 4. Even triceps. 3. Good. 2. Last 1. Pull. And come back. Ooh. Good. Okay, next one. I want you to go legs straight and the band will come to around your feet. Cross your rope, the band. Then let's go palms are facing each other, neutral position. Then you're going to roll. Come Come back. Feel the scapula kissing behind you. Good. And this exercise, not just upper back. You can feel your core is engaged to sit nice and tall. Just to be careful, you don't want to be round the back. You're going to be nice upright posture. Right, 2 more. And now we can add spine rotation. Legs start feeling too because holding band, and this is your ankle. Turn. Make sure both hips down when you're turning. Good job. 1 more each. And come back center. Now palms down. Same things, but feel different. Now elbow wide. Probably most challenge this exercise is sitting nice and tall, which is core. Tricky. 5 more. How's your scapula doing? Did you find them? 2. Last one. Let's add turning, spine twist. Elbow keep wide. Try turning as far as you can without moving the hips. You start to feel your waistline too. So, whole body work. Let's go 1 more each. And come back center. Last position, this series, palms up. And I want you to go roll again. So very similar, but your shoulder joint is different. This is external rotation, your arms. Oh. How are you doing? Okay? Good. Let's make beautiful upper back. 5, 4, don't forget to breathe. Breathe in. Last one. Rotate. The knuckle, your hands come close to your waistline. Turning. Open chest. 2 more each side. Last one. Stay nice and tall. And relax. Before I move to next exercise, let's stretch your hip flexor. Feet together. Move your knees up and down. And then come forward. Good. All right. Next exercise. I want you to find the center of the band, and you're gonna be sitting on it. Okay. Good. You can be crisscross, legs straight, up to you, but you need to sit on the band. Okay, so right hand, grab other side, opposite of band. Let's put your left hand top of your hips, and you're going to high elbow to straight. Breathe in, breathe out. On the reformer, we call this draw sword, like Japanese samurai. 10 times. 5, 4, 3, 2, last 1, and come back. Now, your left hand hold the band. Sit nice and tall. I want you to go shoulder raise. Come back. Good. Punch to sky. Nice. 5 more. 4, 3, 2, last 1, and come back center. Other side. I know, you just feel, I just finished my left and now start the left. Ooh, good job. Keep nice alignment. 5 more. 5, 4, good job. 3, keep shoulder away from your ear. Last one more time. And come back center. Ooh, warmed up. Now, shoulder press. Up, down. Again, if you have any shoulder uncomfortable, maybe stop halfway. Just listen your body. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, last 1, and come back. Now both hands hold, and same as single arms, shoulder press, but double arms. Reach, come back. 10, 9, straight up. Breathe out. Let's go 5 more. 5, 4, 3. Ooh, your shoulder may be feeling that better, and move more too already. Last one, and relax. Good job. Now hold a little bit longer because next exercise a little bit harder. Arms straight. High five. Oops. I wanna see you, so I'm gonna just hold rest of band. High five. Reset. Start. Good. Nice. Proud yourself. Give yourself a high five. 5 more. Little toy. 4, 3. Again, if this one too easy, what are you gonna do? Hold shorter. Okay? Last 1. Come back halfway. Hold. Now, tiny circle. 2, 3. Woo! 10 times. 6, 7, 8. Do you need a rest? No, you don't need a rest. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Woo! Good job. Okay. So let's go stretch your shoulder more. Left hand behind, hold your wrist like this. Now I want you to pull gently, and then let's stretch your neck to shoulder. Good job today. And then switch side. Then come back. Left hand touch your right shoulder. Your right hand on the elbow and you stretch. Other side. And then come back. Lower your shoulder. See how you're feeling. Compare beginning to now. Other direction. And come back. Thank you for joining me today. See you next time.